Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the gear. Charge the Hoco buds and the case to at least 30% and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, close any other active audio connections so the phone can find a new device. Open the Hoco case and locate the small pairing button. This is the control you will use now. Press and hold that button for about 3 to 5 seconds to start pairing mode. You'll see the LED flash, which tells you the earbuds are discoverable. Now you take the phone and open Bluetooth settings. Tap Scan or Refresh so it lists nearby devices. When the Hoco model name appears, tap it. The phone will try to pair and should show Connecting then Connected. If you see a prompt on iPhone, tap Connect. On Android, you may confirm a pairing code. Accept it. Make sure the case remains open and close to the phone while pairing. If pairing stalls, cancel and retry, pressing the case button to re-enter discoverable mode before scanning again. Finish by testing audio and mic. Play a track and try a call to confirm both buds work and controls respond. If the connection drops or one bud is silent, reset the Hoco earbuds by holding the pairing button for about 15 seconds until the LED cycles. This clears prior pairings and forces a fresh handshake. Also, remove any old Hoco entry from your phone's Bluetooth list before retrying. If problems persist, restart your phone and repeat the pairing process. This resolves most lingering conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.